If you want to remove Google Drive from your Windows PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to uninstall Google Drive completely from your computer using the Windows Settings menu. This is helpful if you no longer use the app, want to free up space, or just prefer to manage your files another way. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Windows Settings menu. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by using the search bar and typing Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for the Apps section, click on Apps, and then choose Installed Apps. This area shows you every application currently installed on your Windows PC. Now, in the search box, type Google Drive. This will quickly filter the list so you can find the app without scrolling through everything manually. When Google Drive appears in the results, click the three dots next to it. A small menu will open with a few options. From that menu, select Uninstall. Windows will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove the app. Go ahead and follow the prompts to confirm the removal. Depending on your system, you may see a pop-up asking for one more confirmation before the uninstall begins. Just approve it and let Windows finish the process. After a few moments, Google Drive should be removed from your Windows PC. At this point, the app is no longer installed and you won't see it in your installed apps list anymore. If you also had files synced locally through Google Drive, you may want to double check your folders and make sure everything you need is backed up before deleting anything else. And that's it. You've successfully removed Google Drive from your Windows PC. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Windows guides, app tips, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.